Shit, I knew there was a freight train. I knew it. The bastard would have went close. It's always CSX. It's like they don't like to be filmed or something. They like to purposely go slow and sneak up on you. There was one yesterday, but I didn't feel like recording it. But what's it? I missed it. You don't want to know what I missed. It was an old caboose is what I missed on the very back. I was extremely pissed when I seen that. I'm praying to God today it comes back. Because it happened yesterday, why can't it happen today? Would have been awesome if I would have got it. It's the thing with CSX, you don't know. It's like most of the times it could be a regular train. Finally, when you don't feel like filming it, they can have rare carts in there. One time I missed like an old, what's it? I think Atlantic something, I don't know. It said Atlantic, there was like an old passenger car it had. I missed it. Praying to God they bring that caboose back. It happens when you don't feel like filming the CSX. That's when they decide to bring random shit out. What else? They had like a coal train. It was a half coal train. It was from Tico, which Tico trains are rare here. It was part mixed freights, part Tico. Watch, the caboose won't come today. Every time I catch a regular train, it's always regular. But when I don't feel like filming a train, it's not regular. There's always rare things on it. What else? It's like sometimes the operators are nice. Like there is nice operators, they'll hunk for you, they're awesome. But there's some operators that do the CSX train, they ain't very friendly. Like this one guy, it's like, it's always the same guy with this Norfolk Southern GP switcher with the same locomotive. The same exact one. He usually leads the train sometimes and he drives in reverse. He goes longhorn forward. And he has this real nice RSL free lessee horn. You can hear it in the distance when it comes. It's like he's always on that side. Every time I try to get him to honk, he never wants to, which is a very sad shame. He's got a nice RSL free horn. Gets me mad every time. It's like he looks at you and just like doesn't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, no caboose today, damn it. Of course, it was just a regular mixed freight train.